What's going on, guys? What's up? Good morning. Y'all can hear me? Just making sure. Okay, cool. Let's. So there's a lot of things that happened today, guys. We'll see here. See what the dollar wants to do. The dollar's in a funky spot. It's looking to me like it might be bullish today. I can't really say that actually. It's looking bearish actually. Do we have any news today? Let me see. Okay, 9:45 with USD news. Okay. All right. Very interesting, guys. All right. So if you hold on, so let me change my screen. Good morning, guys. Good morning. All right. Let me show you guys really quick. Okay. So, right. Today is the April 21st, right? Okay. So what you guys can see here is at 9:45, right at the bottom over here, right? We have a double red folders news, right? Oops, there we go. So you can anticipate for sure that's when the market's going to move, right? So everything up until this point is probably going to be consolidation. It's probably going to be choppy. It's going to kind of pre-set up for this move, but really, I can guarantee you the market really isn't going to move until 9:30, 9:45 today. So anything up until that point is pretty much going to be very boring. It's going to be pretty much of nothing. So, yeah. You guys have to come back another day at this point. All right. This is goodbye. I'm trying to figure this out because there's really not going to be movement right now. And that's a whole hour and a half away. Jeez. That is an hour and a half away. Okay. All right. Well, let me analyze for you guys real quick while we wait so much. All right. So I'm going to remove all my dollar stuff. All right. And when we look at this kind of like a real raw chart right now, it honestly is not that easy to dissect, guys, when you really look at it. When you really, really, really look at it. But okay, what I want you to do, right, is when it really looks hard, I want you to kind of just scale out to a macro, right? Once you start from the daily, all right, and you can kind of just naturally see now sometimes. Okay, all right, we're kind of in this downward channel, if you will, right? You can kind of see here. It's been holding this. This is 4 hour. Okay, now it's kind of possibly forming a head and shoulders pattern up here. Okay. All right. And then you slowly go down, like going 2 hour. Okay. You can kind of see neckline structure like right here, right, of this pattern. So what we can definitely anticipate is once you have this broken, that we can have a continuation to this level here. Does that make sense, guys? I think I broke that down pretty well. Immaculate. Sensational. Okay. All right. Hopefully you guys understood that. All right. Now let's go down to like the 1 hour. Go to like the smaller time frames. Okay. And what I'm thinking here, see, just like we had the neckline on the higher time frame, this is kind of the neckline on the smaller time frame, right? This is just like the previous lows from this consolidation area, right? So I extend that area. And now, as far as entries go, this is what we're looking for. We're looking for the DXY to break this level here, the 101.776. Once it drops from that area, holds that level, we'll know that there's a lot of sellers that have control here, a lot of bearish pressure. And what we're looking for is optimal, I can't get even the word out right now. What the heck? Optimal opportunities and entries to get in, which are like the 2 and 4 point. All right. So, and this is just the dollar, right? Right. And that the way that's going to affect some pairs that we may like, especially like AU, my baby, there'll be a buy again. Now, we bought it yesterday. Then we buy yesterday. All smooth move, right? It wasn't easy, but it was a smooth move, right? Okay, cool. Well, we potentially have the same move again. Again. All right. Because the markets just like to do things again and again. It doesn't change. So let's see here. So what can you let me see. Or actually let me go to my other chart. All right. So someone tell me in the chat what happened to ADUSD on the 4 hour just now? What just happened here? I want somebody to explain what I'm looking at. Let me see. Someone put on their thinking cap. Yeah, the thinking cap. Thinking cap. What the? Mm, let me see. All right, let me start reading. Let me start reading these chats here. Let me see what y'all are talking about, man. Let me see what y'all are talking about. Let me see what y'all are talking about. Let me see. All right, Val said consolidation. What's up? Good morning, everybody. Yeah. Womp, womp, womp. Oh my goodness, this is so loud. Chloe said consolidation. Valerie said consolidation. John said strong rejection. Uh, can you guys hear my soundboard or no? Can y'all hear the buzzers? If you cannot, apologize because that's probably annoying. But internet, I'm still learning. I mean, we're all still learning at the end of the day. Internet. Okay, y'all hear it? Okay, cool. All right. All right. Back to the board here. Then we have John Morris' strong rejection. Yeah. Oh, sorry, John. Back of the line, Bucko. Then KF said wicked off support area. Uh, all right, that's wrong too. You're not a bucko, you're a buckus. Okay, back to the line. There you go. Rain Francis said higher high made a lower low. I mean, that is true, but not the answer I'm looking for there, Rain. Then too. Uh, or Aberrix, I see the numbering of the waves. Are they wolfy waves? Wolfy waves. Are we in the forest now? What in the werewolf are we talking about here? What is going on? I do not understand. She said the wolfy waves. Are you talking about the Elliot waves? Or are we talking about uh the wild waves? I don't. What's going on here? I'm confused. But you're wrong. Back of the line. There you go. So you can take that and go to the back of the line there. Internet said it looks like a reversal. I mean, true, but okay. Carmaine said reset. No. Oh my goodness. I haven't gotten that one person right. Oh my gosh. Terrence said hitting major support. Terrence, you finally got it. No, you did it back of the line too. What are you doing, sir? No one sees it? What is going on here? Oh my gosh. What is going on here? What is going on? I do not understand. No one in my class sees this. This is a problem for me. Lord. Everyone is getting the buzzers today. You get the buzzer. Clearly. All right. So no one got it. All right, no one got what this is right here. No one got that. No one got that at all. I am disappointed. I'm gonna give y'all like 30 seconds worth of tries. That's it. That's it. That's it. Let me see. Let's see. I'm a second round of answers. I'm not, second was come on. Second round of answers. I mean, don't disappoint me. Don't disappoint me. Don't do it to my little light skinned heart. Don't do it. Don't do it. I'm trying to tell you. Nah. All right. KF said M forming. What in the back of the line, KF? What are you doing? And then said AM formation. I mean, okay. Listen, you guys aren't wrong, but you're wrong now. I mean, it's not the answer I'm looking for. Joey said BOS break of structure. Joey, what are you doing, my guy? Three R's? Wait, no, that's not true, my guy. All right, y'all making me sick. Y'all are making me absolutely sick. Okay, I thought we would get through this by now, and now it's a fail. We're going to the drawing board here because clearly no one is seeing it. So let's go back to the drawing board, my friends. All right, what I'm seeing here. All right, and actually, most of you were not wrong, but you guys were actually missing the most important thing here. So I want everyone to drop some fire emojis. But basically, right, I want you to guys realize that these lows were just been taken out. Okay, so this has been a very good example, all right, of the market on the higher time frame starts to pop up, consolidate. The market drops very fast, very quickly, takes out these previous wicks here, ever so gently and softly, right? So now we have a lot of momentum, right? We have a lot of, we'll say, liquidity to go up. Okay. So there's a lot of, so it's very easy to kind of see that. So yes, it's making higher highs, higher lows, things like that, right? But if you can also identify areas where they are taking out the highs and lows, excuse me, it's going to help you have a better sense of direction at times, especially in consolidation, right? So that's what I kind of also see here. So that's why this may be a very easy kind of buy day with AU. Excuse me. All right. We can probably honestly even start buying now. Put my alert here. The AU looks like she's setting up a little bit here. 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, 4. Ah. Yeah, let me put my once my alert hits for the DXY, once it starts to slowly break the structure here, right? Then I think we can get into something, guys. We can I think AU buy would possibly be a good one today. Let's see. Let me see. AUD, yeah, AUD buy might be good. Euro could be good as well. Let me see. GBPs, probably definitely GBPs, I think. And let me see. JPYs. Possibly sell JPYs. All right. So this is kind of what I'm thinking. All right. Possibly. I'm thinking. I'm thinking. Let me see here. How many pips is this? Maybe it's not that much. It's only like 15. It's not really that much. But listen, I'm cool with a 15 pip day on a Friday, and I'm out. I'm fine with that. Listen, okay. Just give me my money, sir, so I can be about my day. That's it. It's that simple, my guy. So that's what I'm thinking, right? That's maybe how that's gonna set up. Let's look at EU. EU is breaking out this. Oh, EU is breaking out nice. EU is looking sexy. Very nice here. Okay. DXY is crossing. Okay. We have a lot of bearish pressure with the DXY guys. All right. So EU and AU, I think, are buys right now. You can pick one, or you can pick GU. So EU, AU, GU, I think you can buy right now. I'll send the signal in my little chat. Um, all right. Give me 1 second, guys. All right. So I do like AU for the buy, guys. All right. So I am in AU for the buy. Let's see. So right here, it's not super bad entry. Even if you're not in yet, it's definitely not a bad entry. You know, we're not targeting a lot of pips here, just maybe 15, 20. Same thing with EU. Okay, same thing with EU. Then we have potentially GU as well too. I think GU will probably hit this level up here. All right, you guys following me so far? Does it make sense? Everyone understand? All right. I think EU's at a good pullback point as well too. Let me see. Do we have bearish momentum on JPY too? I think UJ could be a really good sell actually. Whoa. UJ could be a really good sell, guys. Honestly. Hold on. There's a lot of good plays right now. Oh my goodness. UJ's gonna be a sexy sell. Oh my goodness. I'm thinking UJ could be very sweet. UJ could be very sweet right now, guys. This UJ definitely has potential. So I'm going to put in something for UJ. All right, so this is kind of what I'm looking at UJ here. I'll show y'all. Show you what I'm looking for. For UJ, we're looking good. So it is slowly breaking consolidation here, right? So I want you to look at it like this here. It's been kind of just channeling, right? Channeling. Now it's slowly starting to break this structure here, right? And this is kind of what we're looking for, right? It's overall in a super bearish downtrend anyway. So this can be a very nice play. All right, so let's go to like the smaller time frames. What I would even do, guys, what I would even do in this case with UJ, here's a great setup. Okay, let me show you. So what you can do for UJ, all right, that I guarantee you will be fire. This is how you can guarantee you're gonna make money today. All right. What I want you to do is put a sell stop order, okay, on UJ at the 133.598 level. Or we could say, I guess, let me see here. Or we could say the 133,600. Okay. So you can put a sell stop right here. Put your stop loss probably about 25 to 30 pips. All right. And this move could net you like maybe 30 to 60 pips depending. TP1 will probably be like right here for sure, something like halfway. So I would take partials at like 20 pips, TP1. Does everyone understand what I'm looking at? Like why? All right, like on the 5-minute chart. So this is the 5-minute chart here. All right. So what we're looking for actually is the hold and continuation of this move. So you can put your sell stop here, because once it kind of breaks this next zone here, all right, it's going to go down. It's definitely going to go down. Okay. So that's why I have my alert here. I'll kind of put this as a trade idea so you guys can see. So again, what I would do is just wait for the break of this structure to happen first. All right. So we'll kind of just wait for that to happen. Once that happens, we're going to definitely sell UJ. All right. So let's, I'll post this other signal as well too. But this is a very unique type of signal. Okay. All right. So I just posted it, guys, as well. All right. So we're definitely waiting for this breaking structure for UJ. Once it breaks this level, I have a sell stop here, right? If UJ kind of holds this level, starts to really reject, you can also potentially sell, right? There's a lot of ways you can look at this. You just gotta be patient because the move is gonna happen. All right. But again, you guys have to understand that the move today isn't gonna happen until like 9:30, 9:45. Right. So I want you guys to just remember that. We can possibly look at NAS at 9:30. We'll do that. I'm also going to put my alert right here for you, Jay. All right. Let's see here. Uh, let's see. G is holding. If G starts to break this hold, that would be really good. So if we get the continuation on GU at that level, definitely I think a buy setup. All right. So we're kind of just waiting for these trades to kind of pan out. Let's see here. All right. Let's see here. Let's see. So we're definitely getting a pullback now. We're getting a small pullback now in the market. Yeah, guys. With UJ, so I think UJ, if you don't want to wait for it and you want a clean entry now with UJ, I think you can get a clean entry now. So if you want to sell it now, I don't think it's a bad sell with like a maybe 15, 16, 17 pip stop loss. I am liking it. So actually I would have it, just to be safe, like a 22 pip stop loss. Let's see. All right, so I really do like UJ, guys. I think that's going to be one of the best setups right now. AU as well. So if you want two good setups, I think there's AU and UJ. Once AD starts to break this all up here, that'll be another buy opportunity. All right. So we're kind of looking at it like this here. That's how we're breaking this down. All right. So if AUD breaks this level here, this could be a second buy entry. All right. Hopefully that makes sense, guys. That's a continuation to the next level. All right. So you could make a second entry there. And we want the dollar to hold this 5-minute engulfing here. So we got like 12 seconds for that. Okay, I like that. I'm liking that. All right, EU, as you guys see, it's in a good spot. It's still holding the structure. EU, looking good. GU, my level just got crossed. All right, GU. You guys look at GU. Boom, that's looking solid. Okay, we up. AUG looking good. AU's looking good. Once AU breaks this level, definitely buying again. Give you a big money day on Friday coming. Okay, I like it. I like it. I like it on a Friday. On a Friday night, I will take the money on a Friday, sir. So, this is kind of interesting because honestly, it's like the momentum should really be kicking at 9:45, but it's like kicking in a little, just a smidge early right now. So this could be a very big move. I'm thinking this is making me think a little bit because if it's already moving in 9:45, we have the news. This could be a big move today, y'all. I mean, I'm not complaining. I mean, wait. You guys can't hear me? No sound? Hold on. They're saying they can't hear me. Uh-oh. You guys can hear me? You sure? Because I'm trying to figure out. Okay, you guys hear me? Okay, cool. All right. They Lisa said they trolling. Not the trolls in my chat today. I am not in the mood. I'm joking. All right. Okay. So I think honestly one of the best trades is going to be this UJ cell. Guys, I'm really liking it. I'm really liking this UJ cell. UJ cell is going to be sweet. Once this level is broken here, this is going to be the cleanest 20, 30 pips. It is going to be the cleanest. So today's going to be a good day here. I can just smell it. Can y'all smell that? It smells like money. Money. I smell you. I smell y'all. Y'all don't smell that. Y'all don't. Y'all not tapped in today. That's what that is. Do I gotta wake y'all up? Y'all don't smell the money today? Y'all are y'all really not smelling the moolah today? Like what's my guy? What's going on? Like I'm over here cooking and like no one's waking up. Yo, I have a problem with that. What's going on? What's going on? What's going on? Because I need y'all to wake up. Wake up, wake up, wake up. You know, it's time. It's time to get up. All right, it's money time. What's wrong with you? Wake up and smell the money. You know they say wake up, smell the coffee. Wake up and smell the money, please. Like what are you doing? Like, do you not know you're trying to make money today? You're not on my session. You're clearly not trying to make money if you're not going to be on my free sessions. What are we doing? Like, what are we doing today? We're clearly going to make money today. Clearly. We're clearly making money today. I don't know what y'all are doing today. I don't know. Yeah, listen, we all have different agendas for the day. You got things to do. I got things to do. I'm just saying, on a Friday morning, nothing makes me more happy than to just make money. Okay? That's what I'm saying. Wake up, smell the money. Yes. Inhale it nice and slow. That's what I like to do. I don't know about y'all. Okay. AUD USD is moving nice. Oh my goodness, so nice. UJ's moving super nice right now. Um, money plays today, baby. Money plays today. We are making the money today. Give me that money, DXY. I want my money today. Listen, we coming for the bank today, y'all. We coming for the banky bank today. Give me all my pips today, sir, on a Friday. Give me all my pips. I want like 50, 60 on each pair, sir. Yes. Give me all of my money. What you think this is? This is a robbery. This is what this is. It's a stick up. Sir, put the money in the bag. Do you not understand? Sir, you don't know. You can't talk to me. We're not going back and forth. Okay? Put the money in the bag. What I say? Put the money in the bag, sir. Put it. Stuff it. All right. I need it to the top. Feel it. No. No, you don't have enough time to put the 20s. I want the straight hundreds. Put only hundreds in my bag, sir. All right. I'm just letting y'all know. Wake up. Wake up. Y'all don't like y'all don't like my podcast vibes. Y'all don't bang with it. What's up? Y'all not rocking with me today. Let me see. Making money for this new edition, Key Sweat. Oh, y'all funny. Y'all funny for that. Mm, 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 mm. Love it, y'all. Y'all good? Y'all all right? Y'all look like you're paralyzed in the chat. The chat is just like it's dead right now. What's going on? You feel me? What's the dealio? Clearly, y'all bags ain't packed. I packed my bags. Feel me? I told the dealer, give me my money, please, sir. I don't want to have to hurt you, sir. I need my money. That's all you got to say. They'll look at you dead in the face and know you're serious. And be like, okay, ma'am, okay, sir, how much do you need? You say the number, and they just put it in the bag. And you tip your hat like the gentleman that you are, and you be about your day. Feel me? That's it. So UJ, I'm really liking, and I'm watching my AU as well too. We'll see. but everything just may hold. Again, that 9:39 that's going to happen soon, guys. So we have like a half an hour. All right. So just so you guys know, right, we're really waiting for that 9:45 volume to kick in. Joe said, "Get to the paper." I was just listening to Young Jeezy in my car. Actually, it's funny because I found my old Air Forces, and I started to think of that Young Jeezy song. I want some old school Chevy. You know, you couldn't walk a mile up in my Air Forces, and you ain't been. All right, y'all young whippersnappers. Y'all don't know about Young Jeezy, okay? Like you just, I get it. I'm an old man now, but we gonna let it rock. We gonna let it rock. Let me rock. So yeah, that's what we're waiting for, guys. So I think the market's really gonna hold until that 9:30, 9:45. So it's just a waiting game right now. That's it. We patiently waiting. Not trying to force anything. We just let it happen. Let's see. So everything's looking good. Look at you. You's looking dag. You hit TP already? Well, no, that was like hit TP1. Okay, so EU TP1 was hit. But EU does have more momentum to go as well too. Well, hold on, EU. Hold on, sir. If EU breaks this area, this is gonna be a big move for EU. So what I'm thinking is gonna happen for EU is this, guys. Well, what I will say is you can, okay, if you want a good EU move, you could put a buy. Hold on, let me grab another EU chart actually, because you can do a buy stop on EU as well. Let me see. That was some old school Chevy to drop top Porsches. You couldn't walk a mile off of my Air Forces. You haven't been where I've been. What y'all know about that, man? Y'all don't know. Y'all don't know. Okay. All right. So this is what I'm looking for, guys. If these highs are taken out, I do think, okay, for sure. Especially with news, these popping up here. That would be a 30-50 pip move here, and it would look something like this. Okay. All right. It would look something like this here. Yes. All right. So essentially, all right. This is a, can't even get the word out. Okay. This is a very safe setup with your USD. All right. And the reason why I like it is because we have the news at 9:45, and that just may give us the liquidity that we need that's going to pump it. Okay. So essentially, what I'm going to do here, right, is put the alert. Hold on. Hold up. Like right here. And on Euro. So this is the 1.1004, or can't get the numbers right. 1.10014 level. Okay. Right. So once Euro, this is what I'm expecting with Euro. I'm expecting some type of pullback here. Okay. Something. But once it starts to break these levels here, that's going to be in the continuation of the second wave. Okay. And then boom, we're going to catch this bad boy. So you can basically put your buy pending or your buy stop or your buy stop order basically like that level. Does that make sense, guys? My AUD is crossing, so AU is looking really good. So fresh and so clean. All right. So a bunch of opportunities today, guys. Today's gonna be a good day. All right, a good day to trade. I like days like this. Give me my money, bucko. And you ain't been what I've been. All right, let me see. So you can put your buy stop. Um, $1.100. All right, so let's buy stuff for euros. Not bad. Right, AU is in the money and the profit. Right, everyone should be in profit in AU. Right, everything's still looking very nice. Continuation move. Let's see here. GU TP1's about to be hit for GU. If you're in GU, take profit, take partials here. But I am expecting GU to continue to the next level, which could be up here. So this would be, so that's like TP1, TP2 with G1 with GU. We have NAS here as well. You ain't been where I've been. All right, let's look at our UJ. Our UJ is holding very nice. All right, we definitely wanted to start to now break these lows down here. I'm gonna put my alert because once that happens, I'm gonna be very happy. Let's see here. All right, give me 1 second, guys, as these trades are panning out. Give me a second. All right, guys. So let's get back to the charts. Let's see here. Okay. All right. So we're about to look at NAS, guys. We're about to look at NAS now. All right. And if NAS starts to break this this area here, okay. So let's look at NAS, guys. If NAS starts to break this level up here, then I think we'll also have a buy type of setup here, formula. All right. So you guys can kind of see here NAS, right? I believe if it kind of starts to break these highs here, you can have let's see here, 40, 45 point stop. TP would probably be 60, 70. Well, okay, TP1 would definitely be here first, though. That'd be like TP1. This would be like TP2. This is kind of how I look at NAS, guys. Let me see. So that's kind of how I'm looking at NAS right now. So NAS definitely has potential once it breaks those highs. Definitely has potential. So let's kind of just wait and see what happens with NAS. I mean, I think this would be very smooth and nice if we got something like this. A little pop down and then continuation like this. This would be pretty nice. So again, we're not in NAS or anything. We're just waiting for the setup. We're just waiting for the setup at this point. And we will put my alert like right here for NAS. Okay. And once that level is broken, then I think we'll definitely have a good reason to buy here for NAS. Once it pops up like maybe 20, 30, 40 points. All right, so let's look at the 5 minute here. We're going to look at the 5 minute. Okay, so let's kind of watch that, see what happens. Okay, this is watch it here. Yeah, we're just gonna wait, guys. We're gonna wait here. Let Naz do his thing. And we're gonna just chill and relax. Swiper, no swiping. Let me see. Mantra, what you say? Oh, yeah, guys. If y'all could show love, subscribe. If you're not subscribed, you better subscribe. All right. What are you doing? It's free Money Fridays, and you're over here not subscribing and liking the video. Like, what are you doing with your life? Okay, what are you doing? All right. So Naz is looking solid. Naz ain't looking so bad here. You're gonna wait for a little bit more bullish momentum to kick in, but it's looking good. It's looking pretty good to me, sir. All right, let me see. So let's see how Naz holds this level, guys. So boom, we just got rejection at this key level. Really nice, right? Really nice here. So I want this bullish engulfing to hold by the end of this 5 minute candle. So we have like a minute 30 for that. That isn't looking super clean, but I guess we'll just see. Just gotta wait and see. All right, guys, the news is about to start happening now. So we're gonna wait to kind of see what the dollar does. All right, guys. This is where the rubber meets the road. All right. Let's y'all can hear me, right? Just making sure. All right, just making sure you guys can hear me. Okay. So NAS is holding this level, which is looking better. Let's look at our UJ. Oh, snaps. I got too much stuff running right now. My charts are moving so slow. Yo, where's my UJ markup? What the heck is going on here, Bucko? UJ crossing. Okay, cool. All right, here we go. UJ's looking clean. Okay. UJ's looking clean, so fresh and so clean. I like my UJ. I will say that. All right, give me a second, y'all. For some reason, I cannot look at my charts. What is going on here? All right. Continuation on the dollar. This is what it looks like. $20 is what it looks like. AUDs. EDs are looking bullish. Euros are looking bullish. GPYs are looking bearish. What the heck? This is annoying, guys. Hold on. This is annoying right now. All right, it's about to be 9:45, guys. So let's see here. Let's see what the dollar wants to do. All right, and that's all we're really looking for. All right, we're looking for the dollar to hold this level and to drip. Okay. All right, so we're looking for the dollar to hold this level and drop. We'll see. up. Let's see, actually. Oh, it goes the opposite way. Oh, no, I want to change. Oh, no, I got stopped out. Oh, no, I got stopped out, guys. Let's see. It's a little tricky. I got stopped on profit on my AU and my UJ. Oh, no. I guess I just wanted to completely reverse. Let's see what does NAS want to do. NAS has not broken this area yet either. So NAS doesn't want to, so nothing is being a little funky. NAS hasn't broken the structure yet. AU kind of are, you should have at least got stopped out in profit or basically break even. Okay, let's see. I got stopped out at break even on both these trades. Kind of like near my entries. Um, Yeah, it's definitely got bullish momentum right now. So let's see how it holds this area where it's at. So let me see. When I analyze this, it didn't break these lows. So it did just kind of take out these lows here and reject it. Yeah. So okay, all right, this makes sense. It makes sense. Okay, I see. It makes sense now. So we did have bearish momentum, right? And it looked pretty decent, I would say, guys, right? Like it was about to break the structure, but it gave us just enough momentum right before news. So I was in profit like 10 pips on everything. And then they basically took out everyone here and started to shoot up basically, right? So news just took everyone out, right? But you can kind of see that from all these lows here, this level here. So it took all those people out and then shot up. Okay, so just so I mean, you understand why it moved the way it moved. So sometimes that happens with Fridays. Like you have a good move, but they'll kind of reverse for Friday, right? So everything was looking good as far as the overall trend, everything. So I'm thinking the news 945 should push it down. There are instances where it doesn't. Let's see. I'm still waiting for Nas to give me a buy. My euro alert never got hit. So if you guys see the euro, I was waiting for this level to get hit for euro, right? And as you can see here, the buy stop never engaged for euro USD. That would have been a super sweet buy. So was looking for the buy stop, right? That didn't happen with euro. For AU was up, let's see, like 10 pips ish. Okay, hold on. 10 pips ish, or it was like 7, 6, 7. So again, guys, look, if you have your stop loss, right? Now, I'm just going to use this as a good learning lesson, okay? Because if you guys don't have the manager, this is how you can get jammed up, okay? You can get jammed up when you don't have a stop loss set, right? When you're not trailing your stop loss, right? Or actively moving your stop loss, kind of like as the market is moving, you should be moving your stop loss as well, or having some type of trailing stop loss. Okay. So as the market is moving in profit, let's say you're up 5 pips, then your stop loss initially should be up 5 pips, right? Now, I got my entry all the way down here somewhere. So I'm up like 10 pips. My stop loss is practically at my break even entry. All right, on AU. So again, everything starts and ends with your management, right? Everything rises and starts with your management. So like once you're up a significant amount, let's just say 10, 15, 20 pips on any move, right? You always want to be moving your stop loss to like break even or maybe 5 pips or maybe 10 pips, right? Just always minimizing your risk as you're in profit. Now, for some people, it might be way too hard to do that manually, right? Or even to do that as you're looking at on your charts. That is why, okay, that is why I have the manager here. And I will show you guys, the site. Get it, now while the early bird is here. All right. It's literally a 50% discount that you're going to get for the year. Okay. A 50% discount. Let me see. Let me, and what it does essentially, right, is it protects you in the market. Let me show you. All right. At all times, no matter what. Okay, so when you go to tradeauthority.com and you go to the top right here, it says Trade Manager. All right, if you're a manual trader, then you are going to need some type of level of automation to your trading. If you're messing up your management, you definitely need it. Okay, so I'm gonna drop it in the chat. Okay, and what I realized for me is that I like the fact that I don't have to sit here and micromanage my trade. It will always manage it properly for me. Okay, so let's look at UJ. All right, so what was it? Right, so my entry was here on UJ, right, was up about 16, 17 pips, something like that. But essentially at the time, I had my stop loss right here. It was a little bit above my entry because I had 20 pips. All right. So as the market was moving down and down and down, my stop loss is moving down with it. All right. Always minimizing your risk as you're in the trade. Right. So this is how you want to be managing your trades. Does that make sense? So as the market is going more in your favor, you want to be minimizing your risk. Now, again, I can't be giving you guys 20 management tool or 20 management tips while I'm calling out stuff, right? All the micro stuff that you should be doing. Okay. But this is how you want to manage it. And so what I realized that most people aren't managing their trades right, which will always keep you long-term profitable, guys, is if you can manage it. Right. So if you need help with that manager, all right, dropped it in the link. You can always go to thetradeauthority.com and you'll see it there. Okay. So, that is my gift to you, beautiful people, because I realized that that's what I needed for a very long time. And I was making it just for me. And I legit, and, something like that has been saving me from taking bad losses in the market, if that makes sense, guys. It's not about can you make a lot of money, make a little bit of money. If you can actually minimize your big losing days, you will then by default be consistent and make a lot of money. Does that make sense? Right? So if you can do that, if you can minimize your big losing days, the days when you lose a lot, right, kind of unnecessarily, that's when you're going to start to see super levels of success. Okay. So dollar definitely reversed really hard, right? But I'm showing you guys that even when you kind of get it wrong or it doesn't go in your favor, if you're managing your risk properly, it's not that big of a deal, right? And then when you're winning, you are going to maximize on your winners. So it's just two different ways to look at it. Me, myself, I was like, I need something automated completely. All right. So let's see here. right. So that's really it, guys. All right. That's really it for the day. I will holler at you guys on Monday. I think, the market's just going to kind of chill out and ride the momentum of the move. So not unless you get like really good pullbacks on these, but I think it's just going to slowly drip. So that's for the sell. Could work out if we kind of get like a pullback move here, because the buy was never engaged for NAS. So you can look at it kind of like this here, right? If NAS kind of pulls up a good 50%, then I would say you could look for the sell. So that's a possible opportunity here. At this point, all you're looking for are the pullbacks on these moves. That's it. The pullbacks on these moves is really all you need. Let's see. Yeah, they're all. It could be. We could potentially get all these moves to continue, but you would need the pullback here. It could be. So what I would wait for is the pullbacks on all these moves, guys. Pretty much like a 38 to 50% retracement on all these moves. And if you could get that, then you possibly have like really good reentries for these. But it is Friday, so you definitely want it to happen in like the next 15, 30 minutes. You don't really want to get in the market at like 11, 12 o'clock on a Friday. So if it kind of happens within this hour from like 10 to 11, then I would possibly get in or something like that. But I'm not really gonna. I'm gonna put my alerts though for a lot of these. Because if we get a pullback in continuation, then these moves could continue. So if like Euro pulls up maybe 15, 20 pips, if AU pulls up the same way, maybe 15, 20. NAS, I definitely want to sell NAS. But I do want to kind of pop back up to the structure here. Again, the buy was never engaged with NAS because the structure didn't break. Structure was never broken, so now it's looking like it's probably gonna pull up from here. Okay. So I will post any updates in the chat, guys. And if you did not get the manager, I'm telling you, it's going to be worth it. All right. You are getting it 50% off. So when it launches by the end of April, all right, you'll be one of the first 100 to have it, because I'm only doing it for the first 100 people. There will be a Telegram chat for everyone who purchased, so you guys will be able to access it and ask me questions while you're using it. I'm just saying, it's worth it if you need help with your management. All right. You can also email the Trade Authority at gmail.com if you have any questions, all right, about the course, about the trade manager, about anything else coming out. Mm-hmm. All right. So I will let you guys go. And if you can get the manager, the last day to get it is Sunday, I believe, guys. So it's only a short amount of time that it will be available for pre-sale. I'll say that. So yeah, you guys have like 2 more days until the end of the week to get it. Or you can just wait until it drops right afterwards, and it'll be $67 a month. All right. You can wait for that too, and that's perfectly fine. But yeah. So I will holla at you guys later. Hopefully you had a great day. All right. And I will see you guys on Monday. All right. I will see y'all on Monday. And all right. If you have any questions or concerns, just email us. All right. I'll be in the Telegram chats. All right. Go get some breakfast. Go, you guys. All right. And make sure you get that manager. I'm not playing. It will save you a lot of headache on your trades if you're messing up. All right. So if you need it, you need the link, email us, thetradeauthority@gmail.com, or go to thetradeauthority.com. You'll see the link for the manager at the top right. Go get it. Okay, go get it. All right. See you guys. Peace.